Progressive muscle relaxation. Sit in a comfortable chair or lie on the floor or on a bed. Ensure you will not be disturbed by other noises. If you become aware of sounds, just try to ignore them and let them leave your mind just as soon as they enter. Make sure the whole of your body is comfortably supported, including your arms, head, and feet. Rest your arms on the arms of the chair with your feet flat on the floor if sitting. Close your eyes. Feel the chair supporting your whole body. Your legs, your arms, your head. If you can feel any tension, begin to let it go. Take 2 slow and deep breaths and let the tension begin to flow out. Become aware of your head. Notice how your forehead feels. Let any tension go and feel your forehead become smooth and wide. Let any tension go from around your eyes, your mouth, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let your teeth part slightly and feel the tension go. Now focus on your neck. Let the chair take the weight of your head and feel your neck relax. Now your head is feeling heavy and floppy. Let your shoulders lower down gently. Your shoulders are wider, your neck is longer. Notice how your body feels as you begin to relax. Be aware of your arms and your hands. Let them sink down into the chair. Now they're feeling heavy and limp. Think about your back, from your neck to your hips. Let the tension go and you feel yourself sinking down into the chair. Let your hips, your legs, and your feet relax and roll outwards. Notice the feeling of relaxation take over. Notice your breathing, your abdomen gently rising and falling as you breathe. Let your next breath be a little deeper and a little slower. Now you are feeling completely relaxed and heavy. Lie still and concentrate on slow rhythmic breathing. When you want to, count back from 5 to 1 and open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Breathe deeply and stretch. Look around the room, becoming more alert as you notice what you see, hear, and feel. Pause before gently rising.